Hi and hello everyone. My name is Johanna. I'm a colorist and creator of thematic color palettes. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will talk about how I apply colors from color palette onto a coloring page. It is a video requested by some of my viewers, so here I come with the answer. However, there are no strict rules regarding how to, place the colors onto your project. So before I decided to make a series of video on this subject, and in each video I will discuss a finished coloring page that I did with a different approach. So as you can see, here we have this unbearably cute Sloth page from Johanna Basford's Magical Worlds. This is the first page I did in this book. The moment I saw the sloth, I wanted the page to be incredibly cute, as I truly love sloths. They are quite unbelievable creatures, and I truly cannot imagine and wrap my head around how these animals managed to survive in our world. So once I saw the page, I knew I wanted to be cute and sweet. And if you know my color palette books, there is no better book with color recipes for sweetness and cuteness than my Autumn Delights. And while browsing these palettes, I decided to use this pumpkin spice cake color palette, as it really I felt that this is giving me quite fun possibilities regarding colors for this page. I also decided to pick the red color from the adjacent color from the apple cinnamon coffee cake, as I thought this red really is spicing up this color palette very nicely, and I'm so glad I did choose this color, because it makes this page feel like baked apples. I hope you can sense it too on your end. This page I colored with crayons for the base layer, and then enhanced the colors with regular colored pencils and a little bit of gel pens. But diving right into our today's subject. As you can see, this color palette, as all of my color palettes, includes 5 basic colors plus 1 apple red in this specific case. Don't be afraid to play with different color palettes from the same theme if you feel that one palette is not giving you enough options. And 5 complementary colors, and in this specific case I decided to use teal, navy blue, turquoise and forest green as a set of complementary colors for my page. And okay, as you can see, the coloring page consists of one main element, which is the sloth hanging from a tree, and 4 identical parts with floral, with some plants, with some floral design. And I wanted to keep the structure of the page, so I didn't want to keep this kind of leaves in a different color in this part than in this part. I hope that I make it clear, I mean that you can understand me. I wanted to keep the original design like intact, so therefore I used red for all the flowers and brown, I mean nutmeg cinnamon shades for this kind of leaves. In the color palette that I'm using, the pumpkin spice cake color palette, these are only the colors from the basic palette, which is pumpkin, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, clove and apple red, that are responsible for this sweet vibe of this palette, that constitute the pumpkin spice cake that I wanted to transfer onto this page. And therefore I use these colors from all the, you know, flora and plant design that you can see in the page. Originally I wanted to use vanilla only for the Sloth to somehow make it unique, but eventually decided to sprinkle some vanilla on leaves to just a little bit, just to balance the color out on the page. The only element where I used the color navy blue from the set of complementary colors in the actual design are these, I don't know, tiny flowers or leaves or whatever it is here. I decided to make them blue to add additional interest to the page. And guys, I wanted to be clear that my idea for the page evolved, and as I was applying the colors on the page and as it was changing. Originally I thought that I would be able to apply more of orange on the page, but as this orange was really vibrant, I was afraid that it will dominate the entire design, so eventually I decided to use orange only on these big leaves and just a little bit here to achieve this shading effect. And I was progressing slowly, like layer by layer. I decided to use the set of complementary colors, remaining complementary colors, which for me was teal, turquoise, forest green, only for the background. And I use these complementary colors only for the background to make the entire design pop up and to accentuate its cuteness, its sweetness, its innocence, its deliciousness, and the complementary colors that I just mentioned really do the work beautifully. I believe that especially this teal, this shade, does a beautiful work in this page by giving a sense of shadow and coolness and balancing the warm tones of this apple red, this pumpkin shade of nutmeg color, and thanks to using complementary colors in the way I did for this specific page, I managed to somehow achieve a balance between warm and cool colors, between orange and teals. And I've just noticed that I also used the teal shade for the leaves hanging from the Sloth right here. I decided to do it to, as the Sloth is the focal point of this page, and combining basic and complementary colors together gives some extra interest and attracts our focus and attention. That was why I decided to color the Sloth like this. I hope that in this short video I managed to showcase how I decided and why I decided to place colors from a color palette on this page in this specific way. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you found the guidelines that you were looking for. If yes, please give me a thumb up for this video and subscribe if you haven't yet. If you're interested also in using color palettes in your coloring pages or your creative projects and you haven't seen this video yet, I will link it in the description box below. It is the video where I focus when I give you my recommendations for 5 steps on how to apply a specific color palette on a page. But basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing your precious time with me, and until next time, bye bye.